Do you know where your nearest nuclear fallout shelter is? I'll bet you don't. It doesn't matter if you're in the city or out in the suburbs, you may not even have a designated nuclear fallout shelter. So, your best and only option is to just get inside something somewhere to avoid the nuclear fallout. In this video, we're going to talk about your home being your fallout shelter. It may not be the best option, but you can make it work. But your best bet is to now getting prepared ahead of time. This will be easy. Better to be prepared than caught off guard. We will talk about items you need in a moment. First, designate which room you will use, preferably an interior room with no windows. This could even be a bathroom, laundry room, closet, or a hallway. If an interior room is not an option, a room with the less windows would be next choice. If you have a basement, that is your best option. But we are just talking about rooms in the house here. So you have your room, be it an interior or not. Do you have an attic space that you already store stuff? If yes, try to move that stuff over the area you chose as your room. This will give more protection from any radiation that might find its way in. A good thing is, the radiation supposedly breaks down to less lethal levels fairly quick. Now think about what items you can bring in to put against any exterior walls to also add some protection. It could be dressers or other like furniture, even cushions. Now if you have a window, what do? So now for the supplies you can get, and put away now in case there is a need for them. Hopefully you never will need them for a nuclear event. First thing, and back to your window, is some plastic sheeting and tape. You are going to cover that window with the plastic to prevent any of the radioactive dust from getting through in case there are gaps. Other items you can get is a case or two of water, some food you can eat without having to cook it, flashlights, blankets, radio, preferably one of those hand crank type. And if your room is not in the bathroom, what do? You can get one of those camping toilets. There are some very basic types. Get some kitty litter or sawdust to put in it. For privacy, you could have a blanket or tarp to put up to make a privacy space. It is said that the radiation levels drop pretty quick. By 48 hours, it's way down. You should plan on staying put for at least 3 days. But if it was me, I would hold out for at least a couple weeks. If you're able to get news on your radio, follow the instructions given. Can't say about the cell phone service, so don't count on that being there. So there you have it, just some basic info to help you get started. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to check out this next video for more information, and please like and subscribe.